Hello, we're back. Another HowToBloke. Hope you enjoy this one, the dishwasher one. Dishwashers. This one's about 2 years old, I suppose. You know, common garden. It's just a basic one. It's nothing fancy. But I noticed a couple of weeks ago we started to make a ticking noise. Tick, 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 clack, clack, or call it what you like. There's that kind of noise. So I thought there must be something wrong with it, with one of the blades that's going inside. You've got a top one and a bottom one, right? So what I did was I tested it. Now what I'm going to do is take this bottom tray out, right, just to show you what I mean. Now with the bottom tray removed, I have to get down here, camera person. With the bottom tray removed, I noticed that this thing was clicking against that. Not all the time, but most of the time. Okay? Now this thing here is where you put the salt, right? That cap is screwed down tight. So it's not the cap, if the cap was out like that, it's more likely to hit it, so make sure it's kind of like screwed back in properly. Now, you're thinking, well, okay, if the water's coming out of here and going up through these holes here, it's going to push it up. Well, it does to a point, but not enough. And don't forget, there's water in there, so it's going to weigh down as well. So I was thinking, how can I fix that? So I did some research, and what I found was that this thing here gets worn out. Where? I just pulled that out of there. Sometimes they unscrew from here, but this particular one I've got in this room, it pulls out like that. Now, it wears because there's no sort of, essentially there's no bearing, proper bearing or anything. It sits on these surfaces here. And what happens, these surfaces wear down, and this thing here wears down. So, I thought, right, okay then, I'll buy a new one. Before I do that, I want to show you something, how it works. Right, I've got it on the shortest program it will go. Now this thing here, right, I'll spin it. Right, so it's fully spin, in a spin position. So I'll close the door, I'll start the machine. Eventually it will start. Come on, machine. Right, now, if I open the machine again quickly, the door, you'll see it's stuck there. It's not going anywhere, look. Tack, it's stuck there. So, I've got a new one, right? Now I ordered this online. I'll put the link in the description below. Good company. First time I've used them, I think, yeah. First time I've used them for something like this. I've got exactly the same, genuine part for this machine. And I'm pleased. Now watch. I'm going to take this out again. As I say, they're all different. Most of them, well, I say most of them. So I've got some that unscrew. This one pulls out. You know, there you go. So that's the old one. Right, this is the new one. Okay. Now, you need, in order to measure the wear on that, in order to measure the wear against that, you need something like a micrometer, like this, because it's so small. The wear, but it makes a difference. Anyway, this is the new one. It's still got the barcode label on it. So let's stick it in like that. Just push it down. Okay. Spins easily, doesn't it? Right. I'm going to put it in that position like that. Close the door again. Switch it on. Wait a bit. Right, it's working. Right, we'll switch off and open the door quickly. It's turning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it again. Okay. Switch off, open the door quickly. It's turning. Right, so there you have it. So if your machine's making a knocking noise, well, this one got past that. The thing didn't even make it anymore. It just stopped. You know, it stopped. And if your salt thing is screwed down tightly, as it should be, not cross-threaded or something, then that's your problem. That's your problem, one of these. This cost me, I think, in euros, I think 17, 18 euros or something. But at least it spins and it properly cleans all the plates and everything on the top, on the bottom tray. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that one. I've got some cooking stuff up here, quick tips here, and some more DIYs down here. And if you want to subscribe, do so. And until next time.